What's wiggling, Warenoticers? It's your boy, Mr. CEO Shane Mumma of this beautiful, awesome, fantastic technology YouTube channel. And today, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this bad boy right here. This is Logitech's M317 wireless mouse. And what makes this guy especially special is that it has an American flag right there on it. And that's just so awesome. So if you guys didn't know by now, I obviously like America. I mean, I have an American flag here, an American flag here, and also even my belt. If you guys have seen my belt before, look, it's got US flags all over it. So I definitely like this country, so this mouse is perfect for me. Come on guys, even my koozies are made in America. So yeah. So if you're wondering where I got this mouse, I actually got it at Staples. I was there to buy that lap desk that I unboxed in my last video, and I saw a Logitech mouse display and I saw a picture of this mouse from a distance, and I'm like, wow, is that an American flag mouse? That's awesome. So I went over there to check it out because I wasn't really sure if that was like an outdated display and they weren't making this mouse anymore because I've never heard of it or seen it before. So I went over there, and guess what? They actually had this mouse available to buy. So when I saw that, I'm like, I have to get this mouse. So I got it, and it's not even expensive or anything. It's just about $15. But that's because it's not really the best mouse besides the flag on it. It's not rechargeable, and although it is wireless, it isn't wireless over Bluetooth. Not really huge deals to me because apparently according to its packaging, it has a quote 12-month battery life, end quote, which is pretty good because 12 months is a whole year. I don't know if your wireless mouses that can be recharged can say the same thing for you. And it connects wirelessly without Bluetooth with Logitech's unifying receiver right here, this little USB nub. I actually already used one of these for my other mouse that I use every time I use my computer, this guy right here, the MX Master. So I'm plenty familiar with this. I do really like Logitech mice, especially this one right here in my hand, the MX Master. It's got like 7 buttons. It's a super high performance mouse. And yeah, sadly this one isn't as high performance. It would be great if Logitech made a version of the MX Master. Now the latest version of that is the MX Master 2S, but a version of that mouse with the American patriotism all over it. I think I would definitely want that. But anyway, now what are we here for? We're here to watch this guy get unboxed. So let's stop yapping and do just that, guys. Come on, here we go. So here we are up close and personal with the packaging. Here is the M317 Logitech wireless mouse, and you can see that beautiful American flag going on right there. I will note there is a bit of an imperfection, if you guys can see right there. It's slightly not aligned, the blue and the red right there, which is kind of annoying, but hey, for a $15 mouse, what do you expect, really? So let's get to opening up this package. So now actually what we're going to want to do is flip this over, and then right here we can just, I believe, yep, and then just rip it off just like this, and that makes a pretty loud noise. And now the box is open. Ooh, I ripped that a bit. Do I slide then? Yep, I believe I do. Slippery slide. And there it is. Ooh, and look at this cute little arrow right here we can use to pull it out. And here it is. Now I believe we can just, can we pull this? Yep. It looks like the back's gonna come off the mouse. Ooh, or not. And is there anything in here? Looks like there's some instructions actually. Let's see. Okay. So what we gotta do apparently is pull the back of the mouse off. And then in here, there's the battery, and here's the Logitech unifying receiver. So that's kind of cool. You can store it inside the mouse when you're not using it. It's kind of creative thinking, actually. And like I said earlier, I actually already have a Logitech unifying receiver, so I'll just keep this in here. I guess we can use it as a spare. But yeah, let's turn it on. Flip that switch. Flippity flip. And now it's on. And let's get this guy set up. First impressions though, I've got to give you those. It feels like a pretty small mouse to me because I'm used to using this one right here, this much bigger Logitech MX Master. As you can see, there's quite a size difference between these two. So for me, this feels like a itty bitty baby mouse. But hey, I mean, at least it's got that beautiful American flag, right? So here we are on the Warenotice YouTube channel using this mouse right here. And actually, I'm kind of pleasantly surprised because as you can see, I'm using it on my desk, which has this glass layer, and I actually thought it wouldn't be able to track on my desk without me using the Warenotice mouse pad because Apple's own Magic Mouse actually wasn't able to do it, and that's like a, what, $70 mouse? It's something ridiculously expensive, and this guy's only $15, so yeah, I'm impressed that it can track on this glass. I thought only high-end mice like the Logitech MX Master was able to, but guess not. It's pretty cool, actually. So anyway, here we go, just scrolling along. Ooh, it doesn't have the scrolling I like, does it? Yeah, by default it comes with that scrolling that's like the opposite of what Mac users prefer, I think, or at least what I'm used to using on my Master. So I'm just going to head over back to Logitech options and change that. There, that's better. Now it's the way I like it. See, when I push like this, it goes down. When I pull like this, it goes up. Much better. Okay. So here we are on the Warenotice YouTube channel, just minding our own business, looking around. Let's see how many subs. 872. I already knew that. I didn't need to check. I am pretty familiar with my sub count at all times because I really do love you guys. Thank you so much. And yeah, what else? Here's my channel trailer video. It's not really a channel trailer, it's just the video I display on the channel page. Let's see. Over 6,000 views, and it was posted 4 days ago at the time of the making of this video, so is that not impressive? 6,000 views in 4 days, huh? Dabbing on our haters, right? Good job, guys. So thank you so much for watching that, by the way. I love you guys so much. Anyway, let's keep scrolling using this mouse. I will note that the top of the mouse, it feels different than the MX Master. I believe this is some sort of maybe plastic material. I don't know, because it's like smooth and sort of feels like a smooth plastic or a glass. It's obviously not glass, but you know that feeling you get when you rub glass, when you just rub it? That's the feeling of the mouse, the top of the mouse. So yeah, obviously it's not as form-fitting in the hand as the MX Master. I mean, we already went over it's smaller, but it also appears to be like an ambidextrous mouse because it's like the same on both sides. So I guess if you're a lefty, you could use it too. Yeah. And then what else? The fact that it's not like sort of sculpted for the right hand leaves my fingers, these two fingers, feeling kind of disappointed that they don't have something to lean on and something to hold. But I'm used to this high-end mouse. So, but yeah, really at the end of the day, it's just a mouse and it works. So, I mean, yeah, if you're in the market for a cheap mouse, this could be the way to go because it's got the American flag on it. It works. And yeah. So, I mean, with that, guys, that'll be all for this Warenotice video. You see how chill I look right now? Yeah? Just look like a comfortable position to be in. Oh, that reminds me, while I'm like this, does it track on jean legs? Let's see. Yes, it does. Look at that. So that was just a question I had in my head. So anyway, what was I saying? Oh yes, be sure to subscribe to the Warenotice YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos if you enjoyed this video, because yeah, I do love all my subscribers like I just said. So if you want my love, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and I'll love you. Warenotice out with the Logitech US flag mouse. Pretty cool.